In this guide, I'll show you how to delete or uninstall games on your Xbox Series X or Series S. First, go to My Games and Apps from the Xbox home screen. Then, scroll through your games and highlight the game you want to remove. Press the Start/Menu button on your controller. You'll see an option to uninstall the game right away, but I recommend selecting Manage Game and Add-ons instead. Here, you can see how much storage the game is using, check for updates, and view its save data. Keep in mind that uninstalling a game only removes it from your console. You can download it again later whenever you want. Your save data is also normally synced to the cloud as long as your Xbox has been connected to the internet, so you shouldn't lose your progress. However, if you have any important save files, it's a good idea to keep a backup on an external drive just to be safe. Now, select Uninstall All and confirm your choice. The game should be removed within a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll have more free storage space on your Xbox, and you can always reinstall the game later if you want to play it again.